Nacho, you're next. Come on. Nacho's going for a bath. Nacho's going for a bath time. Nacho's going for a bath time. Huh, look. You ready? Are you ready, big guy? Come on, if your sister can do it, you can do it. Don't be so spooky. There's not even water in there yet. There's not even water. That should do it. Alright, Nachos. You're a big boy. Don't you like to play in the water? Here's your chance. Don't you like to play in the water? Oh, that water's hot. No, it's not. Don't be such a baby. Nacho, it's okay. It's okay. Let me get you wet. Good. Come here. He's dirty. He's dirty. He's dusty. He hates it. Just because I won't stick you underneath this fucker. Just relax. He's acting like I'm trying to kill him. Just relax. So strong. Not so. You keep those nails away from me. You keep those big ass claws away from me. And onto that tile. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Soap. Kicking and screaming. Kicking and screaming, you're getting a bath. You dirty fucker. Why are you leaving? What do you think? You think you're gonna take care of all this soap all by yourself? Yeah, right. Your sister did a better job. You hear me? Your sister, who's twice as small, never goes in the tub. She did a better job than you. You're being a bitch. You're being such a bitch that I'm about to put you underneath this shit. Just calm down. okay, it's okay. Never realized that I'm not gonna let you go. God, you're so strong. Yes, yes, I get the point. Calm down and let me finish. Okay, okay, I know you hate water, I know. Let me finish. There. Stuck in there, my God. Was that so bad? Hold on. Ay. Oh. Look at him. He's such a baby. Look, your sister did such a better job. You were just a little baby. Baby about shit.